Alright, gonna show the triangle they've been working on, a DeLaRiva triangle. So check this out. It's really neat. Having a lot of success with this. So what? Well, he steps in, right? Again, DeLaRiva hook, okay? For this DeLaRiva hook, like a lot of people go here. For this one, I'm gonna come here and just kind of grab the pants material. I have my foot here, and I have the high collar here. Okay, so he clears this foot, right? He steps it down and he steps over. I turn into him here. See how I'm putting pressure on his knee and I'm keeping this, the pants material here. What happens to his hands? They're on the mat, right? Because if I keep turning him, he's gonna go, yeah, he's gonna post. He's gonna post his hands on the mat so it doesn't fall on his face. So now what I do here, keep his here for a sec, take my foot out, put it on his hip, kind of stretch his leg to me. And watch how I set up this triangle, right? I stretch him out, I bring him in, this releases, I lock the triangle here. Now if his hand's straight like this, I can go here, but normally I just start to adjust. I'll do this one more time. So, even if he breaks my closed guard, right? I'm gonna break closed guard, he steps in, we get DeLaRiva, right? Now, I get this, I come around, and I grab the pants, I cut my angle. So right away he knows something's up. He clears this leg, steps over, I turn him this way, putting the pressure on the knee. That's how he turns, right? That's how he's gonna post his hands on the mat. I keep this high collar grip here too, right? Foot goes on the hip. Now look, I push away and I pull towards me, taking this leg out, locking this up. See how my hips are above? No, I did, I've already turned it. Now I take this over, I can adjust if I have to, or if I just get this and his hands here, I can get that arm lock too. So it's really neat. I've been playing around with it. Someone's asked me, how do you get triangles from DeLaRiva? It's a few different ones, but I wanted to show that as I've been having a lot of success with it. And getting the opponent top player's hands on the mat is everything. If I turn him, if I turn the top player, and I don't get the hands on the mat and he squares back up into me, then I'm probably going to lose the DeLaRiva, and potentially he's going to smash my knees together and pass. So turning enough to get their hands posted on the mat is the key to this technique. And keeping the pressure when I release for the DeLaRiva and getting the foot on the hip, I'm always keeping the pressure, pushing forward and pulling him back, which is allowing me to freely get that triangle, right? So try it out, let me know what you think. Those things.